Turn a styrofoam block into walls. Cut the top corners so they look like ice blocks. 3 blocks will turn into a room. The corner is ready. Start gluing the wallpapers. This way it's easier to cut out the covers. Does it fit? Yeah! Apply a layer of Elmer's glue and add printed sheets. A winter fairy tale is coming to life right in front of our eyes. The tops are covered with snow. Oh, imagine how it'll look under the rays of winter's sun. Decorate the front ends with strips of glittery foam paper. Cover the inner corner with snowy stuffing. What would happen if you put a bead inside a flower pot? It's a miracle! A winter tree grew! It will decorate the room. Outline the template of a window on glitter foam paper. Cut out a frame. The openings for glass separated. Add a picture with the winter scene. There is a beautiful view of the snowy forest from the window. Glue on a frame. Get the ledge ready. Use a coffee stirrer. Fold lacy ribbon to make ruching. Wow, a heart made out of beads! Put the hearts along the ledge. Now it's time for curtains. Make the same pieces out of mesh fabric. Complete the ledge with metal caps. Outline the details for a future bed on thick cardboard. Double the headboard and cover it with glittery foam paper. Take blue inserts and strips. They will decorate the frame. Oh, look at these crystals! They're gorgeous! Chopsticks turn into tall legs. Attach caps for beads to the ends. Add some details. Beautiful legs. Cut a mattress out of an old sponge. Outline the fabric. Fold. Perfect! We need pillows. Fluffy white fabric is turning into a blanket with a blue band. There is a fluffy ball near the pillow. Separate an old plastic bracelet into halves. Magic fog! Light tulle appeared. Bend the edge. Sew it and put it on a plastic ledge. Strips of glittery foam paper support the curtains. Wind blew and some snowflakes fell down from the tree. There is a beautiful canopy above the bed. Outline pieces for a table on thick cardboard. Bend them, shaping the width of a table. Add a foam paper drawer with a handle. Trim chopsticks, polish them, and paint them white. The table has legs now. Add drips of hot glue. Decorate the table with icicles. Cut out an arc out of glittery foam paper. Make the same element out of mirrored cardboard. Snap! Early LED lights decorate the frame. We made a beautiful perfume bottle out of beads. Elsa loves perfumes that smell like pine needles and the forest. Make a lamp out of a detail for earrings and a cap for beads. This pearly drop-shaped lamp always stands on the table near the bed. Outline a case from a tea candle on a sponge. Cut it out. We made a soft circle. Cover the seat of a chair with blue fabric. Sew with pins. Cover with foam paper around the circle. We made steady legs out of skewers. A beautiful stool will match the rest of the furniture. Cut thick cardboard to make pieces for a wardrobe. Put together a strong frame. Cover the wardrobe with glittery foam paper. Each side is sparkling like it's covered in ice crystals. Glue on a couple of sparkly rectangular pieces. These will be the doors. Secure them on strips of a thin net. A curved wooden element will become a great decoration for the top of the wardrobe. Elsa doesn't have to think where to put her things anymore. Cut out 3 details shaped as arcs from a rubber mat. Connect all the details to make a small partition. Now it's easy for Elsa to try on different clothes, and she has a lot of dresses to try. The Ice Queen added one more room to her palace. This cool bedroom is exactly what Elsa wanted. Sweet dreams, Elsa!